Hey everyone, let's dive into how millionaires network and build those game-changing connections. First up, millionaires aren't just collecting business cards, they're investing in real, meaningful connections. They truly get to know people, understand their goals, and figure out how they can help. Approach networking with a mindset of giving, not just receiving. Offer value, share insights, support others, even if there's no immediate benefit to you. Trust me, it pays off. Next, millionaires pick their events and meetings wisely. They know the value of their time and don't just network for the sake of networking. Research events and communities where you can meet people aligned with your goals. Quality over quantity always. Third, they aim to build relationships with successful people in their field or those with complementary expertise. Identify key players in your industry or those with shared interests. Connect through events, activities, or mutual introductions. Fourth, millionaires give before they ask. They offer advice, make introductions, or support ventures. Before seeking a favor, find ways to contribute. Share useful articles, make connections, or offer your help. Small gestures can lead to big opportunities. Fifth, networking isn't over after the first meeting. Staying in touch is crucial, but it's about adding value, not just asking for favors. After meeting someone, send a personal follow-up. Keep in touch, share updates, and ask how you can assist with their projects. Show you genuinely care. Sixth, platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter aren't just for scrolling. They're tools for building your personal brand. Be active where your target network is. Share thoughtful content, engage with posts, and build a reputation that attracts high-level connections. Seventh, millionaires join high-value organizations, masterminds, or conferences where they can meet other high achievers. Consider investing in quality groups or events related to your industry. The connections you make there are often more valuable than at general events. Eighth, they don't dominate conversations. They listen actively and ask questions that let others share their passions and expertise. Show genuine curiosity. Ask questions that encourage people to share their stories or insights. This makes them feel valued and more likely to remember you. Ninth, millionaires often remain down-to-earth and genuine, making them approachable. Authenticity draws people in. Be humble in your interactions. Avoid overselling yourself. Let your achievements speak naturally. Finally, rejections are part of the process. Millionaires see them as learning opportunities, not personal failures. If someone declines your offer to connect or collaborate, don't take it personally. Move on, focus on the next opportunity, and keep learning from each interaction. By following these strategies, you'll build valuable, long-lasting connections that can boost your career and life. Network with intention, authenticity, and a genuine interest in helping others. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more entrepreneur insights. Catch you next time.